All right, so I got Sam here with me, and I just want to show you exactly what we built for them. So if you're running a sales team and you still don't have real visibility into what's happening with your leads, pay attention to this one. So Sam, tell me who you are and what your business does.
Sure thing. So my name's Sam Dunning. I'm founder of Breaking B2B. We're a SaaS SEO and AI search agency for revenue, not vanity.
Yeah, so take me back to before we built this. What did your sales process look like? Walk me through how leads were being handled.
We basically get anywhere from 1 to 2 booked calls most weekdays from a bunch of sources, right? SEO or LinkedIn ads or recommendations and so forth. They fed in through a website usually or a landing page into Calendly. I'd get emailed about them. Right now I'm still doing all the sales process myself. We're in the process of hiring a head of sales right now. They'd just get emailed to me and then put in my Google Calendar. So I had a separate Google spreadsheet for my sales pipeline where I was manually going in, cutting and pasting the information from the Calendly email and updating that spreadsheet. So as you can imagine, quite a timely process to keep up to date with all my leads and sales pipeline, as you can imagine.
Yeah, and then so now that everything's running, so we built out the CRM and the automations that move those Calendly things to the pipeline. What does the day-to-day look like now for you and your team?
Yeah. So in short, on the sales side of things, just saves a bunch of time. Like saves us going in and having to manually add records. So now we've got, before we had a Google spreadsheet for the sales pipeline, which did us okay for the 2 years, but now we're growing quite a bit and we're taking on a salesperson. We need to have a locked in system. So you helped us get set up one on closed CRM, so we can easily manage our sales pipeline and get a good oversight into that. Secondly, so the inbound booked calls from Calendly automatically feed in to that closed CRM so we can quickly see the pipeline. Likewise with those Fathom sales calls, they all feed in there nicely. And then the other nice touch is we were manually emailing. So if we got a booked call maybe an hour or two before the call, we were manually emailing those folks to say, this video might be worth a watch that explains our process, and also this video showing recent client results for like founders, heads of marketing and VPs and such. Whereas now you set up a workflow, so when someone books a call, they instantly get an email with one of our video breakdowns, and likewise 1 hour before the call, they get another value add email with our results and videos and stuff. So it's just a nice touch, saves us time, and also builds a bit more confidence to our prospects before they sit on the call with us.
What would you say is the thing that changed the most since they got deployed? Not just the actual tangible thing, but things like time saved or a mental weight or mental bandwidth, stuff like that.
I'd say the main thing is time, clarity, and then also the fact that now every prospect that we jump on a call with is just getting that extra bit of content, building a little bit more trust before they sit on it. So yeah, a mixture of kind of time savings and then value adds to our customers, which obviously goes a long way.
Awesome. Yeah, and then this is the last one. If someone is watching this and their business is where yours was, so like losing leads, no system, maybe on a still on a sheets, what would you tell them?
Yeah, I'd say speak to you guys. I mean, I was recommended over to you by a good friend and did exactly what you said you would, if not a bit extra. The support was great. So you worked through like super fast with Slack communication, took the time to understand our problems, where we are now, where we wanted to get to, implemented the system super quick, helped us fix any early bottlenecks, and now it's running smoothly and ready for us to onboard a salesperson, and probably you guys help again. So yeah, would definitely recommend.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sam. Thank you for your time. I always appreciate it.
Cheers.